Hello YouTube. I barely got this mini bike and I'm trying to fix it. I barely put this on right here. It don't go to it, but I put it on and it goes good. I just need a new push thing. I'm mounting the tank right there, but it goes about 35 miles. I don't know what kind of mini bike is it, but it's still a mini bike. I have the logo of the Transformers. I, I put this throttle right here. You know, it goes, stuff like that. But I'm just trying to make a video how to perform my 2 horsepower engine. Stuff like that. I did the sprocket out of a regular sprocket, but these 13-inch rims and tires is from Harbor Freight, but I fixed them to where it could fit the things. My motor is kind of crappy, but it's a motor. I'm trying to get a Harbor Freight Predator 212cc on this, but any advice on this mini bike or any comments down below for I could fix it, because this is my first mini bike. Like I said, I put this throttle and carb on it because I took the original gas thing off and the carb off from this motor right here on this side, and then I put this for it could fit this, so it turns on and everything. See, here's the tank right here. I put it on with some wires and stuff, but other than all, it's good. I did this seat right here. I did a upholstery on it. It's not too bad doing it, but subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.